It was just a horrible time, horrible time, because you felt powerless. We kind of took on the roles of parents for all their stresses and all their worries. We just were there for them as often as we could. There was no normality anymore, and we couldn't give them any form of what we used to know as normality, because we didn't know either, and there was nothing coming from anywhere to help. There was no guidance. It was crack on. We were just trying to be there, giving them therapy sessions, taking out the lessons if they got overwhelmed, trying to talk to them, just being a shoulder to cry on. Everybody went above and beyond on a daily basis to try and make sure that the pupils that they could reach out to were contacted, were thought of, were told, look, this is somebody here for you if you need anything. And every member of staff were 100% put their life on the line to help these pupils. Yeah, I was definitely putting myself at risk, because my dad had severe asthma, my mother had Lewy body disease, so trying to keep them sheltered while doing all their shopping so they didn't have to leave the house. I'd come home from doing my days and I'd strip outside and I'd run straight up the stairs and shower, and I'd bag my clothes up and wash them straight away before I'd done anything. And my husband would have to stay in the living room with the door shut, because I didn't know I was bringing home. I didn't know I was flowing in germs. We just didn't know. As a team now, we are so much closer, because when you go through that, you just rally around together.